Chances are if you're watching this video, you're looking for how to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. Well, inside this video, I'm literally gonna break down a simple and easy formula that I've personally used the last 5 years to make multiple six figures on YouTube. Okay, so if you're excited to learn that, my friend, be sure to stick with me through this video. And also, if you're new here and you never want to miss out on my latest affiliate marketing training, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because every week I'm pumping out step-by-step videos so you can see how this works and create the income and the freedom you truly want. So real quick, let me just share with you some of the results that I've been able to use using this simple formula, okay? Now, you can see right here I'm on my Facebook, and right here was a $748.50 commission deposit that I got recently while I was sleeping, okay? Because the sky's the limit with the method I'm actually gonna pull back the curtain and let you in on as you continue to follow me in this video. So this is not unbelievable and this is not unrealistic when you apply what I'm about to share with you, okay? So this is happening on a day-to-day basis, and what I want to break down for you is, if you want to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, the first step is to obviously find affiliate products that you can actually start to promote and earn commissions on. Now, there's a lot of different places online to find products, and some are good, some are not so good, some pay you more, some pay you less. I'm gonna actually share with you a way to find a ton of products right now, and a lot of the products on this site are actually really good. But this is the first step. So Clickbank.com, if you're an affiliate marketer, you've probably heard of it. If you are brand new to this path to make money online, what Clickbank is, it's one of the leading affiliate marketing vendors, and it has endless products in multiple different niches that you can find. You can get an affiliate link, which is a link coded to you, and then you can go out there on YouTube and start to promote that link, and every time someone buys the product through your link, you will start to make money, okay? Now, what I want to share with you is that basically Clickbank is going to have, like I said, different categories. So if you don't have an account, what you want to do is go to Clickbank, create a free account. Okay, I actually will pop a card on. I did a video recently on how to join the most popular affiliate marketing networks, so you can watch that if you want, but it's very easy. And once you're inside, you want to go to the top and go to Marketplace. Okay, this is going to be the page you're going to see when you go to the Marketplace, so you can find all these different products. Now, we're going to find a product to promote. Now, if you go to categories, there's all these different types of products. And you know, there's e-business and marketing, there's education, but I'm gonna actually share with you a case study that I did back in 2016, okay, to share with you that this has been working for many years. And I actually did it in if you go into home and garden, you go to animal care and pets, okay, I actually promoted a dog training course. And this actually made me thousands of dollars promoting this, okay? So you can really promote anything. Now, before I continue and to share with you this exact case study, so you're gonna see how it worked, how I was able to generate multiple commissions on autopilot just doing simple YouTube videos, I wanna share that there's gonna be a link in the description if you want my #1 recommended system to actually find high ticket products, because you know, if you want to make as much money as possible and you don't want to wait 2 weeks or a month to get the money with Clickbank, you have to actually wait. Go to that first link to find out how to get 100% commissions paid instantly, and I really think you're going to like that. But let's continue. So right here, okay, this is one of the top dog training products on Clickbank. And what I did, again, back around 2016, as you'll see in a second, I look a lot younger in the video, but basically what I did was I found this product, okay, and I looked at the gravity, and on Clickbank, the gravity is basically a score that tells you how well it's actually selling, because you don't want to sell a product that doesn't sell well, because obviously, you know, you can do videos on YouTube, you can do that, but you're not going to be able to make as many sales as you want. So this was a good gravity. Anything above 10 or 20 is going to be pretty good, depending on how competitive the niche is. If it has a lot more products, then go for one's, you know, at least 30. So this was good, okay? And if you want to check out what it looks like, you can always just open it up. I recommend you do that. Make sure it looks professional, okay, before you even start promoting it. And I did that. You know, I went to this page. I was like, okay, this is, you know, a very professional looking page. I knew it was selling well because of the gravity score. And I said, let's promote this, okay? So what you want to do is if you're on Clickbank, if you find a product you want to promote, you want to hit promote. And then basically what's going to happen is, okay, so this one right here, it's going to tell you how to actually apply. A lot of these you get pre-approved. Okay, so this one you have to actually request by going to this link, and then you would just fill out the sign-up form. A lot of these, if you just hit promote, okay, you can just hit generate hop links, and then right here, this is your affiliate link. But with that one specifically, you have to do that. But let's say we find the link. Now, what's the strategy on promoting on YouTube? Well, what I want to do is share with you a video I made promoting this product back around 2016, okay? Now, this, again, I'm going to look very young, but this is to share with you that it works, okay? So if I go here, okay, this is actually me back around 2016. So I was about 25, okay, when I shot this, I think. And what I want you to realize is what I did. Now, this video specifically did not get a lot of views. I could not find some of the other videos I made promoting this product. I think I did about 10 different videos, and maybe like 3 of them actually worked, okay? So with YouTube, it's a bit of a numbers game, but once you have like 2 or 3 videos that start getting a lot of views, that's all you need, and then you can literally sit back and have money just continue to pump in as these sales are being made. So this one didn't really work too well. I might have still gotten some traffic, but I know for a fact that this campaign did actually make me thousands of dollars, because I checked my Clickbank results before I did this video. So what you want to take notice is, look at the title, okay? How to get your dog to stop biting. Now, how did I choose this title, and why did I choose this title? And as you can see, these tags are all how to get your dog to stop biting, how to get your dog to stop biting your hands, how to get your dog to stop biting people, etc. Now, why did I do this, and how did this work? And you can see I also put a link right here. Well, what you want to realize is, whatever product you're promoting, people are going to go to YouTube and research a keyword. And if you optimize your video pretty well, there's a good chance your video is going to pop up when they actually search for those keywords. So you want to think about, what would someone be searching to find this product? So I knew this specific product because I went to the sales page, that website, I opened this up and I looked at it, I watched the videos, okay? And I discovered that what this teaches you is, one of the things is right here. I want my dog to stop barking. Okay, so I started to go to YouTube, and what a lot of people don't realize is you can go up here, okay, and you can actually start typing in keywords, how to stop my dog from barking. Okay, and you can actually see what other people are searching, because YouTube is sharing with you what people are actually looking for. These are popular phrases. And so because I knew this product helps people teach your dog how to stop barking, when I type that in, I know that people are also typing in how to stop my dog from barking at other dogs, how to stop my dog from barking at people. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make one video per keyword and make it very targeted. And you want to use that keyword in the title. Okay, so I did how to get your dog to stop biting, because I found that up here. And then I just added a little keyword, a little, bit of like clickbait after it. Okay, but that's what I did. And then what you want to do is take these keywords and you want to make these the tags of the video. And then what you want to do in the actual video is you basically just want to share a little bit of information. Okay, kind of tell them that you were looking for the same thing they were. And then at the end, you want to give a call to action. You want to basically tell them, if they want more information, go to the link. Now you can actually use what I did. I used tinyurl.com. It's a free link shortener to take this long link. Okay, so for example, right here, okay, if you go to promote, and you generate hop links, this long link is pretty unattractive. You can go to tinyURL, shorten this, and then you can actually put that in your description, okay? So when people click that, let's see if it still works actually. I think it still works. So it's still working. So I could still be potentially making sales on this, and I think I did the other week, actually make a sale, 3 years later, okay? So that's all this is, my friends. So what you wanna do, again, to recap, find a product, find keywords that people are actually looking for, create one video per keyword, being very specific, saying, hey, chances are you're looking for how to get your dog to stop biting. I struggle with that, or, other people struggle with that. I did some research, and what I found was this product. If you want to learn more, go to the link in the description and check this out. And then you have your link going directly to the sales page. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I've never before shared this powerful method. If you appreciate how mind-blowingly valuable this is, because this has made me thousands of dollars, be sure to click the like button. Also be sure to share this with your friends, share it with your business partners. Hit the share button and share this, because my mission is to help people realize that making money online is not difficult when you have the right strategy and the right mindset. Also, comment below, what's your takeaway? Did you get value? What do you want me to cover next when it comes to affiliate marketing? And last but not least, if you're watching this, okay, and this is great, but if you really want to learn how to build a full-time, consistent affiliate marketing business from A to Z, no missing pieces, click the first link below and check out my #1 recommended system to make a 6-figure or more per year income. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.